Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super easy DIY video. If you have not checked out my how to make a blanket video, you should definitely check that out. But basically I just had some leftover fabric and I figured I'd make a scarf. These are super easy to make and they make wonderful gifts. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So we're going to go ahead and start by laying our fabric out on the floor, and we're going to go ahead and measure this. So I am doing 19 inches wide. You can make this as wide as you like, but we're going to go ahead and cut our fabric, just a long rectangle. Okay, so now that we have our fabric cut off, we're going to go ahead and cut some fringe at the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and cut mine 3 inches, but feel free to make them shorter or longer. But I'm basically just doing the same thing that I did in my blanket video, so if you haven't checked it out, make sure you go ahead and check it out. So once you have all your strips cut out, I like to stretch mine just because I feel like it looks nicer, but feel free to do whatever you like. I am just going to go ahead and leave mine like this, but if you like, you can go ahead and do the tie method that I used while I was making my blanket, but it's totally up to you guys, however you guys want to do this. And we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side of our scarf. So this is what our fabric looks like. As you guys can see, it was super easy to make. All we're basically doing is adding the fringe. It's a super easy DIY project and makes such a cute gift, especially around the holidays. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY video. Like I said, it's super easy to make. I had some leftover fabric and I figured I'd make a scarf. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what are your thoughts on this super easy fabric. But other than that, I will see you guys next year.